GTN stock analysis is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm covering all that in this, so watch till the end. I've the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and actually documented them all. I mean, what's got into this is 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, which obviously you don't have to put. With GTN, I'm going to be very straight up honest. Bullish market for me, like a madman. These instances and ranges are crazy because, again, they're the fastest kind of way to get involved. You know, a lot of stuff's happening because it's already kind of on fire. But the only thing that I care about now is a confirmation. If there is not like a 5-minute double break, then there is just no way that I'm going to look to buy. Right? So I will continue to keep you updated. And yeah, let me know what is your opinion on GTN. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Again, not wanting to force anything that's not even supposed to be there. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.